Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. In front of you, you are a few examples of what I did with polyurethane resin last time. Here is an image to show you. Alors, I have saved a few pieces that were just about right, let's say. So we are going to upgrade them because it's all a bit bland. So here I have these 4 pieces under which I put a little black thing and I worked on the lighting because with my light you couldn't see anything. It was lighting up this white. It was terrible. You could see absolutely nothing. This is an example of what I did last time with inlaid shells, but it didn't work. These, well, they are both. They have defects. What else? I have to show you. There are the last little 3 hearts I made, but my resin was starting to harden. It was a kind of gel, an infamous mush. I saved these 4. I decided to give them a little tattoo, a little butterfly tattoo. I don't know if you have seen my unpacking Temu. I had quite a few tattoos like that, of butterflies. I don't know, I just had a crush on butterflies. I'm measuring the ones that will fit. That one go over, that one go in the little hole, and I'm going to cut them out one by one with small scissors, trying to be close to the edge, but not too close. You just have to make sure, yes, sure, that there's a very small edge, but not too much. I'm going to speed up this cutting video. Now I'm positioning them. This one over here, this one over here. I've kept the one on the top right, so for the heart, hoping it will work well since it's a domed surface. I also hope they'll come out well. I'm really sorry about the quality of the image, but I couldn't do otherwise or you wouldn't have seen anything at all. It was blinding. I'm now going to apply the tattoos to my little pendants. I think you know the principle. Right now I'm dampening a piece of paper towel, so we position the tattoo, but first don't forget to remove the little plastic film. It feels like experience, doesn't it? So you place the tattoo in the position you want. You have to calculate a little bit beforehand. That's how you put it on. The face is a little sticky and you apply your paper towel. You damp with the paper towel. You don't want it to be soggy, but you do want it to be damp. Not soggy, but damp. I press it down and then leave it for a few moments to dry a little. I hope it works. On resin, it normally works. I've already done it on resin. Then, of course, I'll do the others in the same way. You apply, and it's really very easy to do. It's a child's play, if I may say so, to put tattoos on resin, or even jasmonite. It's very, very easy. Um, I think you can't put water. Well, I've never actually tried, but I don't think you can just spray water directly on it. I think it's better to do this way because you're pressing down at the same time. So I think it's better. And I'm going to do the others. I'm going to speed up the video so as not to bore you. Here I'm going to look at the result of the first one. I don't know why I took a pair of tweezers. Frankly, if you got a little bit of nail, it's not that useful. You can do it with your nails. Okay, hop, it's done. So, you see, despite the fact that I darkened my lighting, you can't see anything at all. But you'll see them at the end. Stay tuned. And but I can see it's really, really pretty, really cute. I like them. Mm-hmm. Then there are a lot of things. There are a lot of tattoos like that you can put on. This one with the heart, I was a little more worried because it's domed, but you'll see. Another. You can see a little better. And you have seen that sometimes the tweezers come in useful. Yes. This little hurt, it was a little bit dry, so don't leave it on too long either. The paper is still sticking a bit, but now it's gone with a little re-wetting. It comes right off. Well, it's perfectly positioned. You can hardly see anything. Sorry. Oh. When I wanted to edit this video, I saw this bad light. I was really desperate. We couldn't see anything. This polyurethane resin is very white. So I'm going to let them overnight, and after that I'm going to put something on top. It's a top coat that cures under UV light. It's exactly what you put on your nails when you do them with semi-permanent nail polish. So I thought this must work really well. I could have used the UV resin too, but I don't necessarily want to make a dome over it. So now I use this top coat. And I'm careful to spread my varnish all the way to the edge. It's transparent, of course. And then I will see how it looks. If I don't like, I'll put a little resin on top. But it works very well. So now let's speed things up a bit. And once I'm satisfied, I put everyone under the UV lamp for 2 minutes. And that's it. The result is very pretty. It's true that polyurethane resin is very shiny, but with the tattoo it's a bit dull. Yes, dull. And above all, it's too fragile. The tattoo can come off with the scratch or anything. So I applied this layer of top coat, and I really think the result is very, very pretty. It's shiny. My tattoo is protected. Yes, really. It's nice that I'm happy with myself for once. I'm going to do a little close-up, but outside, because with this light it's very complicated. I'll show you them in daylight in a second. Well, focus, focus, please. Ah, this top coat really brings out the colors. It's a bit like using resin. So I'm very happy with my little pendants, and as I have quite a few tattoos, I think I'll do again. But really, I have to use small quantities with polyurethane resin, as I told you in my previous video. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate. We'll be back very soon for new adventures. Take good care of yourself. Bye!